I have experience in virtual appeals at this point, and I can give you a direct example. This is an argument in front of the Court of Appeals with regard to the time limits that are placed on examination of a mesothelioma plaintiff in deposition.
This case comes to us on a writ petition concerning the extent of time to examine a dying mesothelioma plaintiff under CCP section 2025.295. Mr. Hugo, you may proceed.
Thank you, Justice Needham.
I look the same size as the justices and bigger than my opposing counsel because I plan to do so. The virtual platform requires planning that we never thought we would have to do as traditional lawyers in a physical space. Now we not only have to plan as to how we are going to look physically, but we need to plan as to how we are going to look virtually and how we're going to sound. So you have to practice in a different way than traditional oral arguments. You have to practice into a computer where you can play it back and see how you appear and listen to how you sound. In order to create a great virtual presence, you have to practice. The first way to do that is to look at videos that were shot during actual virtual appeals. California records its oral arguments, so those are available on YouTube and other channels. Second, you need to practice with either a videographer or a computer and play it back and see how you appear and see how you sound. I've been very critical of virtual trials. In contrast, virtual appeals actually work. You have a much smaller audience, usually 3 justices and only 1 opposing counsel. It's relatively easy to look at the justices and have a communication through a computer, and your opposing counsel's really not involved. That's far, far different from a judge, a live witness, 12 jurors, plus alternates, and all opposing counsel in little squares on a screen. So it's much easier to be interactive in a court of appeals.